reposed in my capacity to push the frontiers of engagement in our land. Your vote also was an invitation that I should lead this land that we so much venerate to greater heights. No doubt the burden is immense, but it is one I have dedicated myself to carry for the benefit of our people. The expectations from me are very high, and I want to promise that I will never betray your trust. I will never disappoint the people of Asaba. In the course of my declaration to contest for the exalted throne of our land, I made, amongst others, the following pledges: that I will uphold and promote the traditions and culture of Asaba people, that I will foster unity among our people and promote inclusivity and not exclusivity, that I will sow seeds of love and filial fidelity among our people, that I will encourage the establishment of welfare/development fund for community development of Asaba, that I will vigorously pursue the building of the palace of the Asagba of Asaba. So help me God. And I will continue to push for the establishment of a federal university in this our land. Above all, I will extend control and supervision to other parts of Asaba, where the influence of the Diokas, Ndiobi Zolinzeles, or the traditional authorities does not ordinarily cover. More significantly, I will strengthen all traditional authorities and institutions in our land, like the Otuhaza and the Asaba in Council, amongst others. That I will be accessible, open to advice, encourage constructive criticisms, and show zero tolerance for gossip in the palace. That I will ensure security of Asaba and her people, engender peaceful coexistence with our neighbors and the good people of Aniama. That I will work vigorously and harmoniously with the Delta State government. I will continue to support the government as we strive to make Asaba the state capital of our dreams. That I will push and network with federal government to attract institutions, more institutions to Asaba. That I will make justice, fairness to all, the mantra of my leadership. And that I will work tirelessly for peace to reign, both in Asaba and among Asaba people. Today, I reaffirm these pledges. So help me God. I pledge as your king not to disappoint the people of this great land that we venerate. I will be that king who entrusted the destiny of this land into his hands, and I promise to take Asaba to greater heights. As I make these pledges, let me remind us that there are also corresponding obligations on your part, on the part of the people of Asaba. That we must all learn to live in peace and harmony. Be our brother's keeper. Uphold filial fidelity. Eschew pull him down syndrome. That we will reward excellence, promote dignity of labor, continue to welcome and harbor Nigerians from other tribes, and encourage them to invest in our town. Asaba is a land rich in culture and tradition. I also promise to uphold our heritage of unique customs and traditional institutions. Strive to improve the welfare of our people. Harness the immense academic potentials of our people. Create employment opportunities by getting our people to revamp moribund industries. Give our people a sense of belonging in the affairs of our faith, in the affairs of our state, and maintain a beneficially, mutual relationship with our local government council and its leadership. Asaba, as a state capital, is a far departure from the once sleepy and rustic town by the banks of the majestic Niger. Today, Asaba is not just the fastest growing state capital in Nigeria, but also in Africa south of the Sahara. But we must not rest on our oars. Let it not be lost on us that Asaba was once the capital of Nigeria in the days of the Royal Niger Company. I will therefore support efforts that will improve the status of Asaba. It will be a welcome development if the power situation in Asaba can improve, and also that pipe-on water flows again in this our land as they used to do in the past. I want to urge the concerned agencies and authorities to address these concerns of our people as a matter of urgency. The contest for the throne of the Asagba of Asaba was not entirely without hitches. While a good number of my brothers have since congratulated me, few still feel aggrieved for one reason or another. As Asagba of Asaba, and a sovereign with deep compassion and goodwill, I want to invite my brothers to sheath their swords and join me as I strive to build a new Asaba.